natural gas in the month of May, achieving the highs at $4 levels. It is closing the month at the same levels at which it is closed the last month, precisely at 3.47, 3.45 zone. See, this was the previous closing. It is back to the same zone. Now, closing in green, does it mean a reversal from here? Does it mean, are we looking forward to the highs? Because see, if you look at the pattern here, green, red, couple of green, one red, couple of green, one red. So now, is it the time for nat gas to deliver a greener candle again, or it is going to break here below $3 levels in the month of June, and we are looking forward to a crash ahead? What should be our strategy in order to profit trading natural gas in the month of June, in the coming week as well? We're gonna see with the help of charts and indicators. And this is a long-term review, and in this channel itself you'll get twice a day updates on natural gas, first with the Asia and Europe session, next before the US session. These two updates with precise targets gives you a fair bit of opportunity to profit throughout the day across sessions, be it Asia, Europe or US. Thus subscribe, press the bell icon, do like, share and comment, join the free Telegram channel for live market updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. The next update, yes, will be released on Monday. Do not miss to watch it, and watch towards the end of this update where I am going to give you the trading levels. Let's start. See, first let's have a look at the monthly charts. Notice I have already discussed the reversal sign was here, and since these levels I have been recommending buys in natural gas. First rise, then the retracement. Now since then you can see two green, one red, two green, one red, two green, one red. Now this is the first on the green side of it. There is a possibility of a second green candle in making. That is the first observation here. Second observation, if you connect the lows and the highs here, see, this was the steep channel in which it was trading. So far it has come out of this channel. That's a bearish indication. Also notice this candle, this was an extremely bigger candle here, and now it is closing almost at the same zone. Now where it opens in the next candle, that is going to be pretty important, because that will begin the upward journey for natural gas from here. Yes, it is still not confirming the downtrend. If you look at the formation here, you can see $3 is a critical support zone, and this is the number which is going to play a major role in the month of June, 3 and 3.2. As long as these two levels are respected, we should be careful with the sells. And see what has happened here, it has formed a very good base at 2.6. Now imagine 2.6, the number looks small, but when you look it from 3.47 levels, it is almost 25%, which I do not expect net gas to do so. But yes, this is natural gas. It can do wonders. Again, where this candle closes is going to be of importance. We still have a couple of hours left before the chart begins then for the next coming month. The next thing here is, if you see it is staying below 3.4 in the coming week and in the month of June, the possibility of a move towards 3.2 will increase. That's a 20 months average. And then $3 levels, that is the second critical support. So now below 3.4 is where the bearishness will increase, and then we can expect 3.2 and $3 levels as the next targets. So that is the first important thing. Below, as and how it breaches the support levels, be it 3.2 or be it 3, the bearishness is only going to increase here. And then below this, the median of the Bollinger Band at 2.8 will come into picture. But what I am looking at, see, it is seen taking support here. It is closing in green. So what I am looking at here is the second greener candle, and I expect it to repeat the formation here, two green, one red, two green, one red. So this could be another bullish month here. Now, when you look at the stochastic, this is looking downwards, which is a bearish sign. If you look at MACD, when you see the MACD, see, it has stayed bearish for almost 2 to 3 years. And now after the crossover, this is the time for natural gas to keep on rising. Ideally, you can see this is always not a straight line move. Yes, it shows a bit of convergence and then it start to diverge. And that is what is happening here as well. It has converged, and possibly we might see again a bullish month where prices might try to look upwards. RSI positioned comfortably here. Coming to the weekly, now if you look at the weekly chart, see what's happening. First of all, that is what we had seen on the monthly charts. This was the steep channel in which it was trading. It has come out of this channel. It is now trading below the channel. Second thing is, if you look at the larger picture here, this is how it has been trading here, almost at the bottom of it. Now this time it has breached the channel, it has traded level lower, again fallen back within the zone, $4 levels, offering it a critical resistance on the upside, $3 levels offering it a critical support on the downside. Now, when you look at the near term formation, you can find out this is how it has been trading here. Drop, retracement. Now, the drop here might take it all the way towards 2.8. There is a gap also at 2.8 to be filled and then 2.6. And that's a clear bearish indication. Hitting the bottom, possibility of a reversal will increase, but it is going to take time. Now, coming to the near term, look at the last few candles. See, this is the support here at $3 levels. What we had seen, prices struggled to trade below 3, and what we had seen, a good bounce back. Now, since the bounce back, it is trading in this zone, and that is why also I say, and also the moving averages have crossed over in trading bullish. I'll say till 3.2 it has got very good support. Below 3.2 is where I'll say till 3 I'll not treat this as bearish. The possibility will increase below 3.2 that we might see natural gas again sitting at 3, but I think it is definitely going to remain difficult for gas to trade below this. While when you talk about its upside, see last week what we had seen it opening at the top at 3.8. 3.8 offered it a very good resistance, and see one red, one green, one red. So now from here, if it starts to reverse, we are ready for a massive move. Now remember the month closing in green at almost the support levels at 3.4547. Then the next candle and the weekly charts starting off on a bullish note will be a clear indication that now this is a bullish month for natural gas. Bullish month means 4, 4.2 and 4.4. Yes, possibility exists strong. If you see the stochastic, this is looking downwards, not a good sign for the bulls here. Also, when you look at MACD, this is also crossed over, trading with divergence, looking downwards, also not a good sign for the bulls. This is indeed a bearish sign where you can see lot much of downside available here. But it is not that it cannot achieve the highs. Look at what has happened post-COVID. You can expect this form, but I think it is getting difficult for gas to hit the highs here. Right now, it is showing much of a downside. RSI looking downwards, which is again a bearish sign. So on the weekly charts, the signs are not very much encouraging and supportive for the bulls here. Now coming to the daily. On the daily charts, what has happened? Look, these were the lows at 3.4, then it has achieved the highs at 3.8. Now it is delivering higher lows and higher highs. After the drop, it is under retracement. Couple of points here. It drops below 3.4 and takes the prices all the way towards 3.3 and 3.2 levels. That's clearly a bearish indication, as it is, you can see this is trading in this zone where the lows are at 3.2, and then below that, this is the time you can see we have seen $3 levels. But if you look at the formation after the rise, it is under this nice flag formation, and any break beyond 3.8 will be a very good confirmation of further bullishness of 4, 4.2 and 4.4 zone. Right now, when you look at see higher lows confirms that it is still not confirming bearishness here. Look at the last two candles, consolidation, diminishing bearishness as well. So in the coming week and in the month of June, we have got the critical levels here at 3.6, 3.8 and $4 levels. On the upside, 3.4, 3.32 and $3 levels on the downside. Now it is precisely positioned at the median here, as 3 and 4. The struggle is between $3 and $4 levels. It is closing the month at close to 3.5, the median, and hence the direction it takes in the coming month is going to be pretty important, because that will decide the next move by natural gas. If you look at the stochastic, this is looking down. The MACD is crossing over here, trading with divergence and bearishness, and the RSI is also staying slightly bearish here on the daily charts. Coming to the 4-hour chart, now the observation is almost same on the 4-hour chart. See these lows, then the higher lows, see these highs, then the higher high. Now when you see the moving averages, these have crossed over here. These are trading with divergence, these are trading bearish, looking downwards. Now you can see the struggle from the 20 period. And thus this confirms now 3.6 is definitely going to be the first hurdle for natural gas to break beyond, then 3.7, 3.72, then 3.8. Three hurdles for gas to break beyond. And then we might see it moving all the way towards $4 levels. See, this could be a inclined double bottom where it is going to head higher towards 4, 4.2 and 4.4 zone. But when you see the 4-hour charts, it is showing bearishness, and the hurdles still towards 3.8 are pretty strong. This is the first part to it. Stochastic is still bearish. The MACD is also bearish. The RSI is at bottom. So now see, we have seen the charts, we have seen the indicators. Time for me to give you the trading levels and strategy. And did you see how beautifully in just few minutes we have analyzed the complete charts and arrived at the levels as well. You can also develop this understanding and you can also learn this art of trading. Join my 33rd mentorship batch starting 11th of June. Invest in your learning first, that is going to give you profits throughout your life. And this is the only channel, this is the only investment which can give you profits throughout your life. Join the mentorship batch, else be a part of my signals channel on Telegram, where trading as per the signals you can profit. Write an email or ping me on Telegram for your queries. And once you have your trades in place, it is equally important for you to have a place to trade, where you get all the global instruments to trade for your exposure. And yes, also the trusted partner which offers you a free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe. You can find the trusted partner link in the channel and video description. Join it today and enjoy the benefits. Now first let's talk about the levels to buy. First let's talk about the levels to buy. I will recommend you to buy if you see it is staying beyond 3.50 levels. Yes, if you see it is staying above this, expect the next move is going to be towards 3.54. Now this is going to be the next resistance, and if it stays beyond this, I will look forward to 3.58, 3.6. This is the most critical number. Beyond this, ideally the targets are going to be towards 3.7, 3.72, and if this is also taken, then 3.8 levels. Beyond 3.8, I will be looking forward to aggressive bullishness here. 3.93 and $4 levels should be there. Beyond 4 is where the bulls are waiting. We will look forward to 4.2 and 4.4 levels. This zone is the most critical for natural gas to break beyond. If it stays beyond this, this is the beginning of another bull run. If it stays beyond 4.2, 4.4, get ready for a ride on the upside, where $5 levels should be seen very, very soon. Now, looking at the conditions, it appears difficult for gas to breach 4.4 at least in the month of June. But yes, this is natural gas and these are markets. Anything and everything is possible. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry at 3.4445 rather. Yes, a notch below the critical support. Below this, we can expect it to move towards 3.4, 3.37. And if this is taken, stay short for 3.32, 3.26, and then the critical number at 3.2. Remember, once it trades below this, the bearishness might increase, and then 3.2 appears very much probable, below which you can expect 3.11, 3.05, and then $3 levels. If it stays below 3, you can stay bearish as well, where the targets are going to be towards 2.8 and then 2.6 in the near future. If not in the month of June, if not in the next few weeks, this might be possible staying below 3. We will look forward to $2.6 levels very, very soon. And that is what you have to see and look how strong is the move below 3, because 3 is going to be one critical support, 2.8 the next, and then 2.6. Definitely it appears it is not going to happen in the month of June. So take your taste, take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel, reach out to me for your queries. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates. Join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Do not miss to watch the next update with the Monday session. Do watch it as well. Thank you. Have a great profitable month of June, a profitable week ahead, and a happy weekend. Thank you.